Hey friends, today we're going to be showing you how to create a personal site using TypeDream. We'll show you how to use scrolling words, animations, cards, font styling, and section templates to build a page that you can use as your elevator pitch. First, we want to deck out the hero banner. This is the first thing your site visitors are going to see, so let's make sure that it pops out. Start by creating a block with 3 columns. You'll be seeing the structure reused multiple times throughout the site. Stretch it out and resize accordingly. Now, let's add an image. Type /image and select the file on your computer. Next, we'll write some text. Highlight the text, go to Settings, and select Title. We can also add an accent color to the names. I'm going to use a light magenta here. And if you have multiple names or nicknames, a fun way to add them to your website is to use the scrolling words effect. Highlight the text, then go to the Advanced tab, and under Text Animation, add your other names. We'll also add a button for the primary CTA. Type /button, and I'm going to say follow me on Instagram here, but you can change this to whatever you want. Add an Instagram icon, and we're pretty much done with the hero banner. Since this next part is going to be more text heavy, we're going to balance that out with some nice cards. Again, create 3 columns, and this time adjust so that the rightmost column is slightly smaller than the left. We'll put the container on the right. Type /container, and then under container style, choose card. This will give the container a nice corner radius and shadow. We're going to use a gradient in the form of an image as the background. So hit Add Background Image, then browse for the file. Now, add the emojis and drag and drop right into the container. Make that center aligned and a bit bigger. Nope, too big. Aha, there we go. Gonna add some text real quick. To add animations, select the text block, go to Advanced Settings, then Add Animation. We want the text and the card to converge, so things on the left will slide into the right, and things on the right will slide into the left. Let's copy this block since the next one is going to be pretty much the same. The only thing that'll be different now is that we have the text on the right and the card on the left, just to add a bit of variation. And instead of uploading an image for the background this time, let's explore the preset gradients library. If you go to Add Background Image, then Resources, then Gradients, you'll see a ton of cool gradients. For now, we'll choose Charcoal. And also, let's add some text. The third block is going to be exactly the same as the first layout-wise, so copy it again and then just change the content. For the footer, we technically could create our own, but I'm going to show you a shortcut here. Type /section templates, and as you can see, there are many section templates for different use cases. Let's go to Call to Action, and we'll select this one. I'm going to go ahead and change the text as well as the colors a little bit. We're pretty much done with the site. Now we just have to add links to our buttons. We'll be adding external links, but you can also add internal links on TypeDream. We have a short tutorial just for that, so make sure to check it out if you haven't already. Now let's go into X-ray mode and see if everything's lined up and good to go. Ah, I gotta remove the extra line. Boom, and there we have it, a personal site done within 10 minutes. Happy building, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.